Hi! In front of me is SONY XPERIA Z5 Premium, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and select Language and Input, then On-Screen Keyword and Xperia keyword. Over here, click on Word Suggestions and select I want to have my typos auto-corrected, Then tap on this option. As you can see, automatic text correction is now on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on Word Suggestions again and selecting I don't want any help when writing not even suggestions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!